Hello sir, hope you are doing well. Today I am sharing with you an amazing Google Extractor software. So let's start the tutorial without wasting time. This is the interface of the software. So first we do some general settings. Okay, so here is our general settings of our software. You can select your Google Maps UI and page scroll delay. Select over here. Okay, sometime our Google has not connected. So what we have to do, we can update Google Chrome driver. Okay, we can update over here. So our Google Chrome will connect easily. Here you can see your about your license update. Okay, when your license has been will be expired. Okay, so this is the small general settings of our software. Let's come back to the software interface. So by clicking on start button, there is two steps of the software. Okay, so first step is start button. Okay, here you can search your term or keyword, basically what you want to search. Okay, so so for an example I am writing here uh, e-commerce agency. Okay, e-commerce agencies in UK. You must write the country name over here. Okay, click on add button, search. This will take time. Okay, so our Google Chrome is a start for searching. Okay, second step is start grabbing. Okay, I'm going to click on start grabbing. By clicking on start grabbing, you can grab all of your data of your given keyword data. Okay, which includes a business name. Okay, mobile number, review code, rating category, address, website, email ID. Okay, email ID, latitude, longitude, state, location. Okay, here you can see the email ID will not appear over here. Okay, so the reason is I am not check the grab email ID. Okay, so click on this button. After the fetching all the data, this software will grab you the email IDs as well. Okay, let's discuss the software benefits. Okay, so the benefits of the software, basically efficient data collection. Okay, so the software will quickly extract contact info, as you can see here over the screen. Okay, so quickly extract contact info like emails and phone numbers as well. Time saving, automates manual data gathering task. Okay, lead generation helps build targeting mailing list for marketing. Okay, this leads will help basically helping you on your marketing purpose. Okay, so for the right keyword you get the right leads. Okay, accuracy reduces human error in data extraction. Basically sometimes we do some errors in our extraction. Okay, data correctly. Okay, here you can see the blue line. Okay, the purpose of this line is fetching the email IDs. Okay, fetching the getting emails IDs. So if the website has email ID, so this will provide us an email ID. Here you can see. Let's stop this and export the data. Okay, I'm showing you the data. Click on export button. The exportation will be on Excel file. You can name your file. I am going to show you how the file will be saved. Okay, so here you can see the result of our data collection. Okay, 4 email IDs are fetched. You get the mobile numbers of your data. Okay, given keyword data and location. Okay, so this software is quite easy. The only purpose of this software basically is extract data, and give. So thank you for watching. Hope my video helped you to understand this software, how to use this software. Okay, so take care. Bye.